What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our itchy boots journey. Just the title alone is enough to make you do a double take. Boarding down an active volcano in Nicaragua. She has done some crazy wild things. Let's make sure we get on an AAP, because the way the videos are shot and the cinematics of it all is fantastic. Goes to some absolutely beautiful places. If you're not following her already, you should be. Just out there living her best life, and we get to join her on the adventures, and we get to learn in every single video. Shout out to Jan for the request. I don't know that I'm brave enough to do no boarding in a volcano.
Oh. We made a deal that every 5 minutes or so we are switching, carrying the sandboard. Ciao chicos. Adiós Noemi. Mucho gusto conocerse. Suerte. Ciao. Adiós.
I don't think we need subtitles now.
Ciao.
It's got her own subtitles. I'm curious to know how many little bits of languages or how many languages she speaks. Like, that's, I don't know. I'm curious. Just, you would pick it up along the way, a little bits here and there. And if you visit places more than once, you definitely pick it up a little bit. If you're inclined to.
Good morning, internet. It is 8:30 in the morning, and welcome back to the channel. I have just left my host family here in Nicaragua, just outside Matagalpa, and I'm now just going to ride towards Matagalpa, find a nice spot, and then I will get the map out and show you what the plan is for today, all of that.
So wild.
See, there go all the bags. If you've seen the latest episodes, then you know what's in those bags. I'm now just on the edge of Matagalpa, and up here there is a viewpoint, so I'm just climbing this little hill. I missed the mirador. I'm already now on the other side of the mountain on my way down. Oops.
We're definitely on our way down.
Let's try this again. I was supposed to go in here, I think. Yes.
She goes to some of the most beautiful places, meets some of the most kind-hearted people. Like, I don't know, she should give you hope that, hey, the world's not all bad. That everywhere you go, you can find amazing people that you can, like, connect Even though there's all of this cultural difference, if you're open to it, you can learn. You can learn to connect with any kind of people in the world. Like, I've never ever had problems traveling around. Why? Because I'm not a dick. You don't have to go around like, I don't know, just be open to all of the possibilities. Hey, maybe in our case, there's a lot of us over here, Americans, that like to travel, and they go with this mindset that, like, I'm from the best country in the world. And we all know that that's not necessarily the case. We've definitely learned enough about other countries to realize, hey, we've got a lot of things over here that we need to improve on. But the normal indoctrinated American goes everywhere else with this kind of holier than thou mentality. If you travel like that, sure, you're going to run into trouble. But that's the same as with having an attitude anywhere. Go places, explore things, meet good, loving people that you want to go back and visit again and again. Every single country I've ever been to, I have friends there now that I know that I can go back and I could see them again, and it would be an absolutely amazing time.
So I hope this works, but here goes. So in the last episode, I rode from Bluefields. Yeah, I think I probably did this. And then like that. I think I cut across here, something like that. And then now I am here in Matagalpa. So that was over 400 kilometers, quite a long ride. And now I'm planning to ride to Leon. And so yeah, I think I couldn't really find any dirt roads or anything. So from Matagalpa here, I'm just gonna take, I think, this road to Leon, which is not so far away. I think it's about 150 kilometers. Okay, let's go. I have to admit, my original plan for today was a bit different. I wanted to do like a little loop in the area here because I thought that would be dirt roads. But then, first of all, the family where I stayed the last 2 nights, they told me that's all paved. It's not actually dirt. So I was like, oh, okay, that's a shame. But mostly I decided now to just kind of skip that loop and go straight to Leon because I'm actually really tired. I was up since 3:30 this morning. There was a group of howler monkeys in the tree, well, I think next to the house, and they were screaming on top of their lungs at 3:30 in the morning for like an hour and a half. It went on, and then by the time they stopped screaming, there was a whole army of roosters in town that decided to take over the screaming concert. So yeah, the animals kind of woke me up a little bit early this morning.
Hey, I'm saying I learned something when I went to Sri Lanka and we did the leopard safari. I learned that, and getting out into nature is not always tranquil and peaceful. We were out in the middle of the jungle. There were monkeys. There were all kinds of things happening. And being in the jungle was the loudest place that I've ever been in my life. It was at nighttime. It was just like, there's so many new noises and things. I wouldn't been able to sleep either. Nope, not with a whole group of monkeys over my head howling. It doesn't, no. I don't know. Nature's not always peaceful. It doesn't allow you to get sleep sometimes.
I now decided, you know what? Why am I doing this to myself? Let's just keep it fun. So just gonna ride straight to Leon. Oh, fresh bread. Those look nice.
The dog wasn't even phased.
I have arrived in Leon. This is the motorcycle district, I think. See a lot of repair shops. Little church. Looks pretty old. It's gonna be difficult to find a place with secure parking, I think, here, but I'm gonna try my best. I found a place, and look at that. They let motorbikes in. So Alaska can live safely inside.
Today is gonna be a volcano day.
There we go, through the restaurant.
Yeah, how many people can say they rode their motorcycle through the restaurant before?
Perfect, so nice.
That is super nice.
Alright, what a cool way to enter a place to stay.
Right?
Can't remember the last time they let me drive straight through the bar and the restaurant to park my motorcycle inside. So, awesome find. Anyway, I am starving, so it's time to find some lunch. I'm going to do like a small walk through Leon, not much, mainly with the mission to find some food. And then this afternoon I'm gonna head towards the volcano, but food first. Here's a little yellow church that I passed. I gotta say, quite a cool color for a church. It's not open, so I can't go have a look inside.
It is beautiful though.
So I'm just gonna walk down this street, and then I think I should arrive at the big Basilique of Leon. I'm gonna check that out and hopefully find some food around there as well. I'm now already walking on the backside of the Basilique, the cathedral maybe I should say, and I think I see some food stalls.
Every church is spectacular.
Hola. Hola. ¿Qué comida tienes? Oh.
Mantequilla.
Sí, por favor.
De salsa solo chile, crema, pimienta. Chile.
Sí.
Queso.
Sí, cómelo.
Yeah. It is delicious.
Salsa barbecue.
Sí, cómelo.
And
Well, bon appetit. This is definitely the first time I've ever eaten corn on a stick with butter, cream, cheese and barbecue sauce.
it's delicious though.
Bit of a weird combination, but surprisingly good, I have to say. Right. Bye.
If you haven't had elote yet, you should definitely get some.
Bye.
Make some at the house, and then it's
Bye.
even better. Bye. You can ride my motorcycle right back out of the bar.
Yeah? So, I am off to the Cerro Negro, which is the youngest volcano of Central America. This volcano was born in 1850 And it's about 20 kilometers from Leon. Where did my guy go? And what I'm going to do is board down this volcano. I was planning to go by myself, but it's quite a lot of stuff I have to bring. So now I found a guy who's going to come with me. And that way he can also show me the way, because it's not so easy to find, I think. And he can help me, well, look after Alaska and give me a pillion ride back after the boarding. That's the idea. Yo! See, that's him. And that's the board.
Like, I've been sandboarding in the desert, like, but a volcano? That's really taking it up a notch.
The suit and the goggles you have here.
Yeah, I have all the stuff.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are going to pass. I need to put a little
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Are you going to put in your motorcycle?
I don't need. I'll come with you. We are fighting our way through busy Leon traffic. I'm impressed with how he does that with that board sticking out like that. Not so easy. Horse cart, anyone?
God, she makes me want to get up and go traveling again.
Here begins the sand. Let's lower down the tire pressure, because it's gonna get quite deep sand, I believe.
I want to hold a little bit the chain of the motorcycle, you know.
Tie it.
Yeah, but the man is a little busy, but no problem, it's okay. We can go with. No, but I think it's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Don't worry. No problem. Okay. See how that will go.
Must be about to get real sandy.
It's going a little slow. I would like to ride a bit faster on the sand. Keep some more distance. I have to give him some space. Obviously, he only has a very small little bike, so
Those small little
really
bikes are capable of great big feats, though.
blast through the sand. But going slowly is, of course, more difficult. So I'll just give him some headspace and then catch up again.
Like a slinky.
Not really fair, of course, with such a small bike against Alaska, the mighty Alaska. And well, sand used to be my biggest fear, but the Kalahari Rally, that's cured that. I don't fear sand like that anymore. Oh. Oh, it's so hard to ride slowly. Just gotta go past him. And I'll wait for him further because it's so hard to do it slow.
Nothing like riding in sand. It's still terrifying to me.
So I don't know which way it is. Please move. Thank you. Please move. Come on.
So all you can do is be nice.
Actually,
she's just really hauling ass for it being sand though.
20 kilometers
like,
of sand.
No fear anymore.
Well, the volcano is right over there. It's that black cone, the perfect stratovolcano. It's all basaltic, so that's why it's so dark in color. But you'll see it soon enough. Oh, here we go. Bienvenidos al Volcán Cerro Negro. Look at that beauty of a volcano. Phew. Wow, what a sight. We made it. Whew.
I am excited. The way how you drive motorcycle.
You like it?
Yeah, I would like to learn more.
So here we are, the Cerro Negro. Norlan is now bringing my helmet to the entrance. There are some guards there. Just gonna ask them if they can watch my my helmet. So we changed the plan a little bit. He's gonna come with me. So we're gonna together walk up to the volcano, and then I'm going to slide down on the board, and he's gonna run down. He says that's more fun. So I was like, okay, if you want to do that, let's do it. Let's go together.
The things that people do for fun.
I'm waiting for him to come back now. Maybe it's actually better, because then we can take turns dragging the board up there, because to be honest, that board is bloody heavy. If I can say it. Look, it's quite big. It's probably, I would say, it weighs like 5 kgs, 8, 10, something like that. The hike immediately gets hectic. Walking on the rocks. We made a deal that every 5 minutes or so we are switching, carrying the sandboard, and then we're also switching language. So whoever is carrying the board, that language is being spoken. So for me that's English, and then when Norlan is carrying the board, we're speaking Spanish.
I hope it gets more powdery than that.
Here. We're close to the top here now, but I just wanted to show this. Look at the tiny little tree growing here. Look at that. Oh. Fantastic, like the contrast of color.
It looks like sandpaper. It looks like it's gonna be awfully sharp.
Of the volcanic deposits, and then the greenery. It's fantastic. Look at this view. We're just walking on the rim now. This is the crater on this side. So this volcano is highly active. So yeah, it erupted 23 times since 1850. The last time it erupted was in 1999. So it's probably about time that it's gonna erupt again.
Maybe today is gonna be the section.
Maybe today. Hopefully not. No. But,
hopefully not indeed. I don't want to be around.
This volcano doesn't really produces lava flows. So if there's an eruption, what happens is that kind of it puts another blanket of all of this pyroclastic material. Like you can see what we're walking on. So then it kind of spits out all of this material, but it doesn't come out as lava flows usually, or mud flows. We've reached the top. It's really quite windy, so I hope you can hear any of this. You gotta see this. So this volcano is part of the Ring of Fire. If you've seen the episode in Ecuador where I talk about the Ring of Fire, this is one of them. But it's not the only one. Look at this. So I'm now standing on one volcano. And you can see the next one. The next one.
That's
Right,
awesome.
that how amazing is this? Hey. Yeah, it's just volcano after volcano.
Okay, I was gonna say we gotta put on some kind of layers of protection here because that is going to be abrasive as hell.
So, with both hands holding this one, like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
always. Doesn't matter if you wanna go slow or fast.
Okay,
So right now, never put your feet on the floor.
Okay.
Never and ever.
Okay.
Never.
yeah,
Why? Because if you put like this, it's too much weight. It's gonna be sink like Titanic, you know.
okay.
So always your feet touching the ground. A little
Outside,
bit.
okay.
Never put your feet on the
down.
board. I was expecting to say put your feet on the board.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Okay, this is totally different than what I was expecting. I was picturing her going down like a surfboard, and that would have been very painful should you fall down. Extremely painful.
Come on.
I would totally toboggan down a volcano.
Oh, this is so cool! Oh, it's going so fast!
Yo, wow. We really picked up some speed. Even with your feet dragging, you still picked up some speed.
Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my god! Oh, it's going so fast!
Holy shit.
Oh my goodness.
There is so much
that was
dirt
madness.
in the shoes. I guarantee.
Oh. Alright. Here he comes running. That was really awesome. Thanks, man.
She's not used to being on the back.
I'll get off. Wait. There you go. Oh, you want me to get off? No. Wait.
That's almost as fun as the boarding.
It's not. I will walk. It's bad for your clutch. You'll burn your clutch. I'll just walk this last bit because he was burning his clutch, I think, with me in the back. But yo, that was so much fun. That was really cool. I really enjoyed that. So
I feel like a school kid
yeah,
that just had fun
back
too.
last bit to Alaska, and then riding back the same sandy road back to Leon. So you know what? I'm gonna end this video now. I'm gonna need all my energy to tackle another 20 kilometers of sand. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. I brought a lot of tephra
I knew that was
from
gonna be the
Volcano
case.
into my shoes.
She took part of the volcano with her. Was probably still dumping Volcano out days later. Get over it. Show Itchy Boots all the love of the world. If you haven't done so already, then you're missing out on a whole bunch more great adventures just like this one. Only all over the freaking world, wherever you can imagine. She's probably been there. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you at all. Tell me what's the craziest thing you've done while you went out somewhere. Sandboarding down the volcano, whatever the case may be. Tell it down below. Tell the next one, Mother Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.